Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how you can add on other people so they can to your playlist so they can add and edit and listen to your songs from the same playlists. It's pretty easy and I'm going to show you how you can do it. So first of all, you're going to launch up Spotify. Now, from Spotify, there's a bunch of different options you can do, but you're going to go onto your library and to whatever playlist you want to adjust. Okay, you're going to click on. Let's say I'm going to take this my private playlist. Okay, now as you can see, if I click on those three dots, I can edit the playlist and I can do a lot of stuff. But if I go all the way up here and there's a plus and a person beside it, once I click on it, you're going to find something called invite collaborators. Okay, what you can do is actually going to copy the link and just send it to whatever people you want to be on your same playlist or access your playlists, and change and edit in it. So once you copy the link is going to be copied, and then you're going to paste it to whatever people, and once they use the link, they're going to be able to access the playlist and edit and add playlists as much as they want. So yeah guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you later.